Social Science, Grade 5, Block 9, Written Communication, LP3, Paper and the Printing Press by teacher Shikha. Students, we have already learned from LP1 and LP2 that how people wrote on cave walls or clay. Today in this video we are going to focus on how the invention of paper and the printing press helped written communication. Keywords: papyrus and quill. Papyrus, a type of paper made from the papyrus plant by the ancient Egyptians. Quill, a pen used in the past that was made from a bird's feather. Children, earlier people used to draw on stone as seen on the picture, or clay tablets or clay bricks. Then the invention of paper gave them an easy writing material. People wrote books on paper and made more copies by hand. Later, the printing press was invented, and this allowed for lots of books to be printed at the same time. Children, now let's try to understand this in more detail. What are some of the problems that people faced at the different stages of written communication? So, children, cave paintings were difficult to make because people had to use sticks or their hands to make them. Pictographs were also difficult to make because they were carved into stones or written on clay tablets, which could easily break. Pigeon carriers made it difficult to deliver long messages because the pigeon could not carry a very large piece of papyrus. So, children, how did the invention of paper and the printing press change written communication? Paper was a much lighter and easier material to write on. Once the quill was invented, people could write using a quill and paper. The printing press reduced a lot of effort in written communication. Earlier, people had a copy, a book by hand, but with the printing press, this could be done by machine. In the modern printing press, we can print many books, magazines, and newspapers. Children, have a look at the chart and let's read advantages of paper. Easy to write on, light material. Advantages of the printing press. No need to handwrite books. Many books can be printed easily. Can print books, magazines, and newspapers. What are some limitations of using printing materials? People who don't know how to read and write won't understand what is written on printed material. Printed material is paper which is made from trees, so making more printed material might cause more trees to be cut down. Students, now it's a time for some application as you have learned many things about printing, paper, written communication. Please try to solve your worksheet and read content book, and you can mark difficult points so that we can discuss this during online session. Students should be able to identify forms of communication in writing before invention of paper. Also should be able to explain how the invention of paper and the printing press helped written communication. Also identify the limitations of printed paper. Students, I hope lesson is clear to you. Have a great day ahead. Take care of yourself and your near and dear ones. Thank you.